After you get the door handles installed, you take this little box out of here. It's got all the miscellaneous parts and pieces and such in it. Open it up, and you're going to find these 3 little silver feet. These silver feet get attached to the bottom of the door, and they only go on one way. See, there's a little bend there. That bend goes into a slot here and then clips back. You want it about, roughly 6 inches from both ends, like so, and then one right in the middle. Sometimes these slide up and down, so I'll put a little piece of tape on both sides here just to kind of secure it. Sometimes use this tape. You should be good, but the door should look kind of like that.